regular inspection and maintenance of idlers and rollers are essential for equipment longevity. A daily inspection or professional checks can prevent small issues from becoming major problems. Key areas for inspection: idlers, check for damaged dents, cracks, deformities, and oil leaks. Rollers, inspect for dents, cracks, leaks, and ensure smooth operation. Maintenance tips: stick to a regular inspection schedule. Keep components clean to prevent debris buildup. Address minor issues early to avoid costly repairs. Cost considerations: routine inspections are low cost compared to major failures. Timely checks help save on expensive replacements. Consistent maintenance ensures optimal performance, reduces downtime, and extends equipment life. If you have any inquiries about undercarriage parts, please feel free to contact us.